Have you ever sliced an apple, left it on the kitchen counter, and come back an hour later to find it looking brown and sad? But maybe right next to it, another slice looks perfectly fresh and crisp. That browning happens because of the air around us. The oxygen in the room is constantly interacting with the unprotected, cut surface of the fruit, causing those apple cells to slowly break down and wither. So what saved the second slice? It was simply brushed with a little lemon juice. The vitamin C inside that juice stepped up, acting as an invisible shield to block the oxygen from doing any damage. It turns out this exact same process is happening right now, far beyond the kitchen counter. It is happening inside your own body, every single minute of the day. Scientists have a specific name for this daily wear and tear: oxidative stress. Just as that bare apple rots when exposed to the air, our own microscopic cells are constantly facing an invisible internal rusting process. To stay healthy, we have to actively manage it. To understand why this rusting happens, think of your body like a running engine. To generate energy and keep you moving, that engine absolutely needs to burn fuel. And to burn fuel, it needs oxygen. But this leads us to a tricky biological puzzle known as the oxygen paradox. The very same air that keeps us alive also fuels our internal decay over time. When your body uses oxygen to burn its fuel, it produces tiny exhaust particles called free radicals. You can picture them as unpredictable, dangerous sparks flying off a life-giving campfire. Because these molecular sparks are highly unstable, they bounce aggressively around your system, scorching the intricate machinery inside your cells, damaging important proteins and even your DNA. Looking at this diagram, we can see exactly what that damage looks like. On the left side, you can see how these jagged, free radical molecules relentlessly bombard the outer walls, causing the structure to crack and literally rust away, much like our apple. Over days, months, and years, this cumulative rusting adds up. When left to run wild, this continuous cellular damage acts as the starting point for serious long-term health problems, like heart disease and memory loss. Thankfully, you aren't defenseless against these flying sparks. Your body comes equipped with an internal firefighting crew called antioxidants. These tiny defenders track down free radicals and put them out like microscopic fire extinguishers. Here on the right side of the diagram, we see the blueprint for winning this battle. This is a healthy, glowing cell, completely surrounded by a specialized threefold defense system of different antioxidant nutrients. Each nutrient plays a unique role. For example, vitamin E acts as the heavy-duty armor, embedding itself directly into the outer walls of the cell to intercept any incoming sparks. Meanwhile, vitamin C patrols the watery fluids around the cell. It's incredibly valuable because it actually picks up exhausted vitamin E molecules and recharges them, sending them right back to the front lines. Deep inside the cell, another nutrient called Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, stands guard over the mitochondria, protecting the delicate engines that actually generate your cellular energy. Achieving health doesn't mean you stop breathing to eliminate all free radicals. The goal is to build a cooperative, well-stocked team of these different antioxidants so they can work together to keep the damage safely under control. You don't need a high-tech laboratory to build up this specialized security team. You can find everything you need right in the aisles of your local grocery store. To keep this shield strong, we often need nutrient levels that go higher than the bare minimum daily recommendations. Combining regular movement with a high-quality, colorful diet is the best way to get there. To get more of that recharging vitamin C, load up your cart with bright citrus fruits, fresh strawberries, and crisp bell peppers. For the heavy-duty wall armor of vitamin E, reach for handfuls of almonds, sunflower seeds, and rich avocados. And to protect those internal cellular engines with CoQ10, add dark leafy greens like spinach and broccoli, along with whole, unprocessed grains. Think back to that freshly sliced apple on the counter, resting perfectly safe under its invisible coat of lemon juice. By intentionally filling your plate with these exact antioxidant-rich foods, you are essentially giving your own body that same layer of protection. You're supplying the internal lemon juice needed to quiet the sparks, halt the rusting, and keep your cells resilient from the inside out.